How to fill out taxes for DoorDash on H&R Block. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to hrblock.com. Then on the website, you want to click on the sign in option. Once you click on this option, here you will have to enter either your username, mobile number or your email ID. Then click on the continue option. After that, you will have to enter your password and then you will be signed into your account. If you are a new user, you want to click on the create account option and then create a new account. Once you have been logged into your account, collect all relevant tax documents related to DoorDash income. This includes your 1099 NEC form, which you should receive from DoorDash. Additionally, gather any other income-related documents, expense receipts, and records. Then you want to select the option for self-employment income or freelancing. Fill out your personal information as prompted by HR Block. Then you want to input your DoorDash income from 1099 NEC form into the appropriate section. This form should detail your gross income from DoorDash. Deduct any eligible business expenses related to DoorDash work. Then H&R Block will calculate your self-employment taxes based on your income and expenses. Self-employment taxes include both the employer and employee portions of Social Security and Medicare taxes. Review your tax return and ensure that you have accounted for all the income and deduction related to your DoorDash work. Once you are satisfied, you can submit your tax return electronically. If you earned income in a state that imposes income tax, you will also need to file state taxes. H&R Block can assist you with this process as well. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.